pa rin kung hindi kita pinakasalan.
Hindi. Ikaw ang wala kung wala ko bilang asawa mo. Ano iisipin ng iba sa'yo? Sex ring leader? A man na kailangan mag-drug ng babae just to get laid? Oh, sige. Ano, wife beater? Better yet, wife murderer. How do you want to be remembered, Eddie?
I loved you. To the best of my abilities, I loved you. Lahat binigay ko sa'yo, lahat.
Oo. Pain, insecurities, jealousy. A life full of guilt. Alam mo ba, akala ko yung mommy mo ang pinakamasakit sa utak ko. Because I thought we were gonna be living this life together, so I brushed it aside. I thought we were partners. I thought you loved me. Pero nagkamali ako. You are the worst kind. Isa kang traidor because hindi ka marunong magmahal ng tama. You don't even know anything about self-awareness. You ruined the best days of my life. And now, I'm forever ruined.
Mama, it doesn't have to be this way. We can put all of this behind us. Okay?
Don't touch me, you monster. Minahal kita. I loved you with all my heart. And it's now time for me to love myself more. Hindi lang si Ate Helena ang biktima niya. Marami sila. Kaya please, gumising ka. No! No, Noreen! Because what is one more mistake? Basta makita na kita na matalo ka. Shari! 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 Oh, Shari, bumalik ka dito. Sino rin yan? Shari, tawan mo. Anong ginagawa ng anak ko dyan?
Plano nila yan, Aling Eva.
Ha?
Magtiwala lang tayo kay Noreen. Sigurado ka bang ligtas sila? May taga-MBI dyan?
Magtiwala lang ho tayo kay Manggado at Migoy. Sigurado ako hindi nila papabayaan si Noreen.
Bitawan mo ako!
Shari, I'm done with this freak show. We are leaving.
No!